Friends, welcome to our channel SAP HANA Database Administration. So in this today's video we will see the different types of shutdown of the HANA database. So we need two things to perform the shutdown. That first of all, we can only stop and start or the restart the entire HANA database system if we have the operating system administrator username and the password. So that user is SIDDM and we must have the password of that user. If that password is already saved in HANA Studio, then it won't ask that again. But if it not saved, if you are doing it first time, definitely it will ask. So there are no specific database privilege required to perform the restart of the HANA database, but we need the SIDDM password. And the second thing which we require, that is the HANA Studio. So let's see what are the different options. So we need to log in on the system DB, then right click, then select the configuration and monitoring, then we will get the option that is the stop system. So once we click on the stop system, we will get the two options. So these two options are soft shutdown and the hard shutdown. So in the soft shutdown, what happen exactly? This, if we select the soft shutdown, system won't get stop immediately. System will offer us 10 minutes wait time. Okay, this 10 minutes wait time system proposes for the different activities. So in that time system do the different activities, like all the open transaction those are running on the system. First it close that all transaction. Once that transaction are closed, then immediately system start the save point operation. So once this save point operation is finished, then system will wait for that proposed wait time, and once it reaches to that proposed wait time, system will get shut down. So the benefit behind performing this soft shutdown is that when we start the system again, it will start the faster because of the save point. So it always suggested and recommended that always if you are going for the shutdown, then go for the soft shutdown. So the second one shutdown, that is the hard shutdown. So if we select the hard shutdown, instruct the database processes to start the shutdown sequential immediately. So if we select the hard shutdown, it does not kill the database processes, but it still represent a graceful shutdown in which the system processes can terminated in the controlled fashion. So what happened in the hard shutdown? So here in the hard shutdown, system will not wait for the closing of the running transaction. It will roll back that transaction. First of all, it will cancel that transaction. Then second thing, it won't perform the save point. So when the system again, when it will start, definitely it will take the longer time because of the necessary transaction rollback and the greater volume of the redo log that must be applied. So in the practical situation, we never go for the hard shutdown, because in hard shutdown system stop the running transactions, but it can't kill the processes. So in some time we need to kill unresponsive processes. So when the next time might be when the system will start again, there will be some problem. So I will request that please go for the soft shutdown, as it's always safer and it's help us to keep the data consistency. So I hope this information will help you to understand what is the difference between the soft shutdown and hard shutdown. So if you like, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Please take care, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.